Welcome. My name is Amanda O'Brien. I'm an artist and a designer, and I love watercolours and I love teaching watercolour. In my workshops, I teach this beautiful dance between watercolour and creativity. And everybody who comes to my workshop is what I describe as a VIP, a very important painter. Because when else can you give yourself time just to do something for yourself and experience something that is extra special that you wouldn't normally experience in your everyday life? Flowers are such a beautiful expression of creativity. They start as a seed, they go to a beautiful bud, and then they come into a full bloom. And when you paint flowers, it's like you're having a conversation with them. It's like you're painting the essence of them or something. It's a really special thing to paint flowers.